Hey guys, in today's video, we cover best airflow PC case based on extensive research and testing. Here are a few options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. Whether it's price or performance, we've got you covered. For more information on these products, in the description box below, I've included links that are updated for the best prices. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's begin. Number 8. Fractal Design Meshify S2. For unmatched user experience, Fractal Design is the brand reverted. The mesh panels make airflow a priority for enthusiasts as well as the general consumer. All your components will fit inside this case nicely, and the airflow is not obstructed by the constraints of density. The user guide and numerous accessories are a boon to beginners. With 360/420ths on the top side and 280/360 millimeters at the front, the radiator support is great. Whether you need a balanced build, the water-cool, and the best airflow, the Meshify S2 accommodates it all. Number 7. Phanteks Eclipse P400A. Phanteks is a decent choice of brands when you wish to save some bucks, as all its offerings are cheaper than its competitors. Because of its pricing, the Phanteks Eclipse P400A deserves a place on our list. This decent mid-tower case comes with two 2.5 inches SSD brackets, which are optional, and two 3.5 inches HDD slots as well. A 355mm clearance for motherboard and GPU and 200mm clearance for PSU is good enough for fitting an ATX motherboard quite comfortably. Now, if we talk about the fans, it is pre-installed with a single 120mm fan. However, users can install either a 140mm or a 120mm on the roof, or 2x120mm or 2x140mm at the front too. When you want to remove the rear fan, a 120mm clearance is there at the back, and a 280mm clearance is there at the front when you want to use the radiators of your build. If your concern is regarding the I/O ports, it has a reset button, power button, headphones, microphone, and 2x USB 3.0 on the top. Number 6. Cooler Master H500. Cooler Master is yet another good brand for PC cases, offering a broad variety of PC cases having cool and highly premium designs. When it comes to Airflow Master Case, H500 performs quite well. The pre-installed 200mm 8 RGB fans at the front on this case intake air. Another 120mm fan installed on the case helps in throwing the air out, thus maintaining a proper airflow inside the PC case. Now, if we speak of its design, at the front the mesh design plate provides sturdiness and helps in enhancing the airflow in the meantime. Same as the transparent front panel, there is tempered glass at the side panel, letting you showcase your classy gaming hardware. There is enough space in the room to put in two additional 120mm fans if there is a further requirement to increase the airflow. Additionally, a full-size motherboard of ATX and other small sizes is compatible with this mid-tower case. You get two USB 2.0 and two USB 3.0 ports at the top of the case, along with separate microphone and headphone jacks. The built-in handle at the upper side of the case helps you to pick it conveniently. Number 5. Corsair 4000D. The Corsair 4000D is among the best airflow PC cases because of its pretty aesthetic look and high durability. From its heavy weight, you can easily understand how tough it is actually. Motherboards of any form factor can be used in this case. The case is extremely spacious, and 4x140mm or 6x120mm cooling fans can easily fit inside it. You can even use a 288mm radiator on the roof and a 360mm radiator on the front. Though the case is pre-installed with 120mm fans, it is highly recommended that you add some more fans for enhancing the airflow. At the backside, the rapid route cable management makes your PC build look neat. Talking about the connectivity ports, this Corsair 4000D PC case will deliver you a USB 3.0 port, a USB 3.1 Type-C port, and a combination of microphone/audio jack. Number 4. LANCOOL U Mesh C. The Lian LANCOOL iCUE Mesh C is the best case for airflow for gamers who wish to get rid of their issues with high temperatures. You can put your hands on this case if you prefer the best performance rather than focusing on budget only. At the front panel of this case, there are three 120mm ARB fans running at 1300 RPM. The meshy front allows the best airflow, and the full-sized filter allows easy cleaning of dust from the computer. The build quality is great, and the base is easy to move and very stable. The tempered glass present on the sides is necessary for the gamers. The cable management is pretty clear and clean. At the bottom of the case, a fan can be added for debut cooling. The iCUE panel has reset/power buttons, a Type-C port, an audio jumbo jack, and two USB 3.0 ports. The built-in fan controller allows the users to control the airflow and speed of the fan from only one button. Number 3. Phanteks Eclipse P400A Mesh. The Phanteks Eclipse P400A Mesh is a best PC case at a budget price. The airflow is great with support for 280mm broad motherboards. The cable management is pretty clean, and for maximum cooling, there are two big RGB fans in the front panel. This case's front panel is totally made of metal, which ensures a great build quality. Full-length GPU is supported in this case, and there is also a room for vertical GPU mounting. The case has amazing dust filtration with top-quality dust filters installed at the top and front, so the dust can easily be cleaned and thrown out of the PC. Tempered glass is installed on the sides of the case through which internal components of PC and RGB can be viewed. Lately, there is a great significance of tempered glass for showcasing your RGB and PC. Number 2. Lian LANCOOL 215 Mesh. If you speak of the best budget case for a wonderful airflow performance, then the Lian LANCOOL 215 is the one. Throughout the overall system, the PC case consists of pretty high airflow. The main two front fans of this PC case are used for powerful airflow and intake. Triple fans radiators of 140M and 120M cannot be used since the two large fans will not correctly align for the effectual intake from the radiators. Above the motherboard area are the two fans, which provide the effective airflow of the components of the motherboard. Two drives of 3.5mm can be held in the single hard drive bay. iCUE motherboards can easily be fit inside this case, which means it has room for 10 5/12 inches motherboards. There is a 120mm fan and two inbuilt 200mm rigid fans. Great airflow is allowed with the help of a mesh panel, and efficient ventilation is enabled by the honeycomb vent. A maximum of 7 radiators and fans are supported by multi-cooling. Further, there is a power button for turning the system on/off, a microphone jack, a headphone, and 3 USB 3.0 ports at the iCUE panel. The installation of the case is quite simple and easy, and the iCUE panel, in this case, is also simple. Number 1. Corsair iCUE 5000X. The Corsair iCUE 5000X, an RGB tempered PC case, is among the most valuable airflow cases to build a PC. Being a PC case of ATX mid-tower, it allows one ATX motherboard to fit. This case has some wonderful airflow potential, but it is a bit expensive. It has 3 inbuilt fans and supports 3 fans of 120mm. The 3 inbuilt fans in the front are very powerful and can move up to a maximum of 1450 RPM. The tempered glass on the side, top, and front gives a fantastic look to the case. This case can conveniently reduce the temperature of the PC and its components by many points, thus improving the overall performance of the PC. It has an HDD cage and 3 pre-built SSD trays, but this HDD cage is placed at a position that blocks the PSU cables, making it totally useless. Here are the best airflow PC case on the market today. Look for the links in the description box below if there's another product on the market, or if you found one worth your purchase. Let us know in the comment section if you would like to see a future review. Also, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you'll know when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, And we'll see you next time on the Valid Picks channel.